yeah, she pulls. Yo, this is insane. Sheesh. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the video. On that note, welcome back to the beautiful state of California. Oh my god. We made some progress, didn't we? Alright, so today is a pretty special day, and I'm saying that because we are going to do a car review. This vehicle is borrowed specifically from a family member that I shall remain silent of. It is beautiful today. Man, you know what? I plan on doing these every once in a while, you know, just to get the gist of it. And you know what? We're gonna have fun doing this video, so stick around. Somewhere on planet Earth, I end up with a meticulous SUV. Oh my god. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are doing a review of the 2018 XLT 4x4 Ford Explorer. There we go. Got that in there. Pretty sure right here. There we go. So the engine that we have right here is actually a 2.3 liter. We got a inline 4, what looks to be what it is. You either have this option or you get the 3.5 liter with a V6. So this car specifically makes around 280 horsepower. The drivetrain is a 4x4, and we do have these nice beefy Michelin tires. I really love the rims. The stock rims are all good. Check this out, guys. Oh my god. And we also have plenty of storage right here. There's plenty of storage for suitcases and everything. It's a very good SUV for its space and what it is. Really spacious. I 100% love it. Yep, closed. Nice, dude. Oh man. So here's the key fob, if you guys can see. This is what the key fob looks like. Oh my god. The steering wheel can heat itself up. That's pretty crazy. In terms of the infotainment system, we got our phone. Then I think, oh yeah, we even have our own navigation system, which is pretty wild. We have our apps here, unless we connect it to the phone. And we also have our music here, you know, to just listen around to our tunes. Right here, we have our ventilation system. Depending on the terrain, there's a button here that helps you with that terrain. So let's say you're going in all at snow, right? It's gonna see right here, you see, so we got mud rut mode activated. Basically what that does is that it recalibrates the suspension and the tuning of the engine so it could better perform under the circumstances that you are in. So yeah, we got that. We got desert mode, I don't know. Yeah, we got sand mode. So yeah, this is an all-terrain vehicle. You could also change it to miles per hour or kilometers per hour depending on where you want to feel. This is a really nice gauge cluster too. I really love it. I have no complaints about it whatsoever. It is just cool. But yeah, we gonna test this baby out, put her into drive, and let's see how she does. First impressions, what are we getting at? Oh wow, it locks automatically. That's actually pretty interesting. Wow. Things that I'm starting to notice about this drive so far is how smooth it is. Hey, she bites though, not gonna lie. Wow. So one of the first impressions about the Ford Explorer, it's that it's quiet. It's too quiet. Oh, I can make it. I can make it. She just gets up, man. She just gets up. The ride quality, you don't feel all the bumps in the road like if you would in a sports car. I mean, duh, obviously I'm saying that for a reason, right? And for 230 horsepower, I would say it's a pretty great buy. Come on, car, we don't got all day. Oh, look at you, you're so adorable. Oh, oh well, we good. I'm gonna miss you, adorable husky. Let's put this on gravel. Let's see how she handles on traction. Oh yeah. Ah, it's so shaky, bro. It's so shaky. The suspension actually, it's a lot more loose. There we go. Oh yeah, now was my opportunity. Yeah, so visibility, I'd give it a 7.9 out of 10. Hey, motorcycles. Damn, handles rails like nothing, bro. You know what, at this point I'm actually kind of tempted to add in the sports mode. Yeah, so overall the cabin is so quiet, it's so spacious. The interior, like my gear is here obviously, but there is a lot of room in there. So from the sides here too, and also in here too, it's spacious, and it just makes sense to buy it. Yo, why are you going so slow on the turns? My god. There's a car over there. There's actually a pretty good parking space right there. Yep. Not trying to hit it. Yeah, that weird steering wheel vibration. I don't know what the hell is causing that. We're good, we're good. We won't hit it. Alright, so we just stopped by Foodsco. I don't know if you guys can tell. Had to get some groceries. So with that set in mind, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go and celebrate. We're gonna go to Taco Bell and we are going to enjoy it. Okay, we get it. We don't have my seatbelts. All right, let us order some delicious tacos. Can I have a Crunchwrap Supreme? Also have a chicken quesadilla. I'll have the Chipotle Ranch grilled chicken burrito. Ooh. Got a Taco Bell, baby. We got a Taco Bell. This is gonna be amazing. Thank you. Oh man. All right, so we just made it back home. The Corolla is right there. Oh my god, we're gonna have a very good time, trust me. Now over here, let me show you guys. I'm 5'7", keep that in mind, and I have pretty good space from here. We even have climate controls on the back too. And we got some extra air conditioning here, as well as some lighting. And there's more air conditioning units in the back. This is the ultimate family sedan, and you cannot go wrong with this. It opens up pretty nicely. It opens by itself automatically. Yeah, we should be good. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, unfortunately, that's gonna have to wrap it up for today's video. If you guys did enjoy it, like, subscribe, follow for more content. I know I haven't been uploading consistently. My life has been taking sort of a downhill and an uphill, but I guarantee you guys, I promise you there will be more to come. Just stick around soon, and I will see you guys next time.